Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.